Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to solve one problem in data science called XLRD error. Okay, why this error is happening? Because you have file called CS in CSV format. Okay, you have file in CSV format, but you are using read Excel function. Okay, so if your file is in CSV format, then you have to use read CSV. After that, run this code. Okay, see, I'm not getting now error, right? So if you want to view the data, just run this df. I'm getting all data, right? So if you have Excel file, then you can use read Excel. Okay, or else you'll get XLRD error. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can just telegram me, or you can email me inventivearya@gmail.com.